Man, what do we do here? It looks like I got some monomials in my numerators and denominators, right? No binomials in numerators and denominators. That's where we see like x plus 3 or x minus 7. Here, it's just straight up multiplication in each numerator and denominator. We call those monomials. All right, so I need to get my denominators to be the same if I want to put these two together and simplify, right? If I want to subtract them. So what do I need to do here? Well, I need to get my denominators to look the same. So if I look over here on the left one here, my coefficients, I got 2 and I got 3. I'm going to need to multiply this one by 3 here, 3 over 3, to make that a 6. And I need to multiply this one by 2 over 2 to make that a 6. Okay. Now, what about my variables? It looks like my left one's going to need an x squared, so I'll pop that over here. It's also going to need a z to match, right? Because it needs to be a z squared, so I'm going to multiply by z. Then on my right one, I'm going to need a y because it's missing a y when we compare it to that left one. But that's it. Okay. So now let's think about what this becomes in my denominator. I'm going to have 6. I'll write these separate, I think, for this one. So I'm going to have 6x squared y z squared for that one. My numerator becomes 9x cubed z. That just has to kind of like follow along. All my decisions are based off of that denominator. Now, my right one, I'm going to have 8y squared. My denominator becomes 6. Then we have the x squared still, the y, and then z squared. So look at that. They do match, right? They do match. If you know they're going to match, right, you could just jump right to putting them into one single fraction. That's fine with me. But I wanted to show that how they were, because it seems kind of weird with the monomials. All right, so now I can put it into one fraction. I'm going to have 9x cubed z minus 8y squared all over 6x squared y z squared. I cannot do anything as far as simplifications are concerned with that one. It's going to stay that ugly beast right there of a whole bunch of x's, y's, and z's and exponents. Ah!